Hi Crafty Friends, it's Sylvia. How's everyone doing? Today I figure we look at 4 diamond paintings from Amazon. Okay, the first one. Okay, this one I think it's absolutely beautiful. This one I believe it's called Butterfly, and it's got, oh, it's upside down. Sorry about that. It's got butterflies, and it's got purple flowers, it's got pink flowers, it's got yellow flowers, and I love the black background because it brings the colors, it makes the colors pop. Absolutely beautiful. This one is a 30 by 40 centimeters, and it's got 26 colors. So let me bring it up so you can see how clear it is. It's very, very beautiful. If you love flowers, I do, and butterflies. Look at that pink flower. Okay, and this one is, yeah, it's got round drills, and it comes with the tray with a pen grip. Actually, it comes with 2 pens and some resealable bags and wax. And let's see, super sticky, very clear, absolutely gorgeous. And this one is $3.96. That is an amazing price, guys. Very good price. All right, let's look at the drills. And I'm going to try to go quickly because we have 4 paintings. Wow, look at the colors. So bright and vivid. Love it. Okay, so you got beautiful whites, blues, pinks, yellows. I'm just going to bring it up so you can see it better. And brown. It's like a mustard color. A light pink. Lots of pinks, purple, greens, brown, purple, and then I think this is, yep, 3 of these. This must be the background. So you got 3 of these bags. And look at this yellow. Wow, gorgeous. That's probably for the flowers. And then purple, green, and more purple and blues. Absolutely beautiful colors, guys. All right, so let's put that one aside. Wow, I love that. Love that painting. Okay, the next one is super cute and just adorable. This one is called Cute Cat. Cute Cat, isn't he? Is she the cutest cat? Look at this. Don't you just love her big eyes? She's got blue eyes. She's got huge eyes. And she's like, she put her little paws together and it looks like she's saying, please forgive me. I promise to be good. And she's wearing this pink, cute bandana and it's got little stars on it. And of course, a black background, which I actually love the black background because it brings all the colors pop up. And she's a very pretty blue color. Just adorable. Okay, and she's 35 by 35 centimeters. There's 24 colors. Okay. Super sticky. Let me bring her up so you can see. Look at those eyes, guys. Look at that bow, the bandana. And look at that little mouth and the little button nose. Just absolutely. Just this is like cute. What is it? Overload cuteness? Yeah. This one. Love it. All right. So it comes, and this is also around, and this one is $8.99. It's got the tray, the wax, and a pen. Let's look at the drills. Sorry about the noise. Okay. All righty, let's see. What do we have here? So this is like a light purple. Then you have peach color, blue, oranges. It's like a coral orange, off-white, blues, brown. And then that's that pretty sage color that I love. And gray, more grays, more grays. That's probably for the fur, because it looks like there's gray in there and blue. And then this is probably for the bandana. It's like a orange. And then this is the background. So you have, wow, 1, 2, 3, 4 of those. And more grays. And I don't know if this is probably for the inside of her ears. So absolutely gorgeous. Cuteness overload. All right. So put that one aside. And the next one is called, I just got to bend over and get it. Okay. This one is called Sunflower. It's perfect for the fall, guys. Look how gorgeous it is. It's got beautiful sunflowers. It's in a jar, and it's got pumpkins, and it's got a tag that says fall, and there's a little birdie here. And this one, actually they all do. They all have 2 legends, I just noticed. And this one is a 30 by 40 centimeters. And it's got 23 beautiful bright colors. And I love the blue purple background. And of course the color of the jar. Just absolutely gorgeous. It comes with a tray, pen, and resealable bags. And let us okay, that doesn't go there. Let us look at the drills. And this one is also round. And this one, I'm sorry, this one is $8.99. It's perfect for the fall. And if you're joining, I think there's a I think it's called Fall for All. This is perfect event. Okay, let's see. Alrighty. Actually, you know what? This has the DMC, I think. Yeah. So you have a 152, 469, 518. I'm not going to read all these numbers, but I think it's better to look at the colors. I think it is. I think it's prettier. So you got the pink, the green, the blues, the browns. And of course, this is going to be probably for the sunflowers. This is for the background. So we got 3 of those, $7.96. And this is probably for the middle of the sunflower. And you got greens, orange, like an off-white. Oh wow, this must be for the jar. That pretty blue, or it could be this one. See, look at all these blues. Gorgeous. So absolutely beautiful. All right. And like I said before, this one's $8.99. All right, so the next one and the last one. If I can reach it. Okay, this one is a Gorjuss Girl. I just love the green color all around her. This is, I believe, the Wizard of Oz. I believe she's supposed to be Dorothy. She's got her red slippers on. And then you have the Tin Man, the Cowardly Lion, and the Scarecrow. And then you got grass. And this back here, guys, it looks like a rocket ship, but after I looked at the picture up close, it's actually the castle. So absolutely gorgeous. This one is 30 by 40. And not to mention her beautiful outfit that she has on. Let me see something else. She's carrying something in her hand. I don't know what that is, but it could be like a heart, maybe a heart. And okay, so that's got 23 colors, super sticky. Let me bring her up so you can see how clear. Look at her face and her beautiful black hair and her little beautiful blue dress. I love it. And then I love her socks. Look at the socks. And then her little friends next to her. All right, this one is $6.96, okay? And this comes with the tray, the wax, and a pen. And let us look at the colors. So by just looking at this, you can tell it has a lot of green and blue. So let's open this baby up. Okay, let's put the bag aside. think these are in order. All right, let's turn it this way so you can see the colors better. So this is like a dark, dark, dark purple. I think that's a black. That's probably for her hair. Got beige. And like I said, we have blue, but like I mentioned before, we're going to have lots of greens. And then a very light blue. I don't know if that's probably for her dress. That looks like a chocolate. And more greens. And this beautiful, look at this color. Wow, love this color. It's like a blue green. Isn't that pretty, guys? And then another green. And then you have these light colors, and I think this is probably for her face. And then another green. Oh, there's more here. And you have like a off-white, another beautiful blue or red, and more green. So that's about it, guys. And this one is $6.96. And they're all round drills. I do need to start getting some special drill ones. All right, so let's bring them all out again. So you have the Gorjuss Girl. That's supposed to be, I guess, Dorothy. Ooh, I think you can see it better there. Dorothy from the Wizard of Oz. Then you have Sunflower. Okay, perfect for the fall. And then you have Cute Cat, which she is just so adorable. Love her. And then you have Butterfly. It's called Butterfly, but they really should call it Butterfly with Flowers. It's absolutely stunning, this one. So that's about it, guys. And so have a wonderful rest of the day. Bye-bye. And thank you very much.